Hi everyone. Today I introduce Shao.
Give the whole family a shirt,
middle-aged type.
Let me wear them with these wide pants.
The fabric here is a Leon fabric.
So, these wide pants
I have shared
in the previous video clips. My sisters want to make loose pants
with this wool material.
Watch the old video clip again. Today I will show you the shirt.
2.
It looks like there are no hands, but there's a cross.
The end of the shirt and tying Tim's buttons to pair with these wide pants.
Now we're going to start.
Go into the shirt design.
We're going to use this size chart.
For the first shirt, I will measure the ring. Shoulder to shoulder.
I'm going to have a shoulder here.
30 to petrol t-meter ha.
And the second measurement I need is a necklace. I'll get 30 cubic meters of gasoline for the old room here. Then I'll have a bust. I'm going to get 80 millimeters of gasoline for the chest ring here.
Waist circumference. My waistline here is 64 millimeters of gasoline. And round ass.
My ass here is 80 cubic meters. Then we'll have the length of the lower waist. The length of the lower waist here, I will take, is equal to 35 petrol centimeter.
In a shirt I will wear.
Well, this table of parameters is to replace the numbers. If you have black numbers, these black numbers will
measure on your body.
The one I showed you below.
I had that measurement guide the other day.
I'll get this board.
Then I replace this number.
And now we're going to start.
Go into the design.
Then with this waistcoat. Well, we'll save 2 millimeters of gas. Let's make a button. I'll leave you to gas.
2 petrol per cubic meter ha. Its unit of calculation is petrol
and
per
then we
cubic
build
meter.
A perpendicular line across it. Then you'll take a shoulder measurement according to the measurements I had there earlier.
So that's equal to 32 divided by 2.
Here I am 16. Then lower my shoulders and I'll take it down to 4. Let's say we divide her by 5.
30 divided by 5 and equal to 6. Take in 6. Then we're connected.
It's like I said before, these are the measurements you will take. Use it to paint this song. Each person will have different measurements.
So you instead.
And then you're going to take the lower chest measurement.
If you lower your chest, you will divide it by 5.
U plus 1. If you divide it by 5 plus 1, you get 17. I took it down to 17.
This piece.
And then we build a perpendicular line across it. On the other hand, you can divide the chest by 4.
Sisters plus 2.
80 divided by 4 plus 2 gets 22. Then you take it down and lower your waist. Lower your waist and take by 5. And from this lower waist, I will wear this shirt for a long time. On the ass, so. Ass on, so it's starting from below. I'm going to add 10 millimeters of gasoline to this waist. You will have the length of your shirt. the part. This hip, we'll take it as a hip. Divide by 480 divided by 4 is equal to 20 and we get 20. Then this waist, you take the waist. Divide by 4 sisters plus 2. 864 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 18. Then you'll connect your chest. Is equal to 22. Here. Across the chest. Down the waistline through the ass. Then you will bend this way it will. This line will belong to the back. But my front body is going to. Let's start with this live stream. You're going to put down another year of gas. And then we'll start at the outside of the 2-inch line. If you push the button, you will back off. From out here, back up to 3 millimeters
From
of
up
gasoline.
here,
You're down 5 millimeters of gasoline. And this is the lie part. Cross section of the back body. Then we'll make a corner. Out on the outside of the corner. Then you'll connect to this road. There will be 2 lines. This line of the front. And this is from the back. I'll cut it later though. So I painted. I'll cut it later. And now you're going to build a perpendicular line down, reverse to gasoline. Split and half again. I'll draw the flap of the front. And this shirt is what you notice, is that it's going to be a shirt without arms. So this part I'm going to reduce to a gasoline. And then here I'm going to back up to 2. You take it deep down. Give me a neck that's 12 millimeters of gasoline. I connect it in. And you split it in half. Then we'll get Tim's neck here. Then you will finish a 2-ba for year 6. A 2-ba for years. I'll make 6 buttons. Here you will get the front of the shirt. After I got the body first. Yes, you will. Rework the body after this part with to petrol. Here you go, this is 7. Reduce this is 1. Then this part. If we go back to, we'll get the back body. And here with the shirt, it's got the bend part. Then you split it in half. I pull this road straight down. The way up here is for petrol. Each large side raw is 1. We'll get the part from the day before. Now you look. Those measurements but to 30/86/4. But 5 black numbers. You will measure this. I want to change on my body. I wouldn't use this number. On the shirt you painted. That you'll measure these numbers yourself. Remember to let me replace it. And now I'm going to cut Arabic. And his Arabic share. For my sisters, there is no seam. My sisters have to keep their seams. I cut the black one from the front. The red is from the back. I cut the two bodies like this. And then you start adjusting. Now for the back of the body I'm going. Sign back for the waist of the back.
and then with another one. Next, we'll take the line. That's this horizontal line. Here you take the sign. And the other one is the back. It doesn't have a button. That's why you will brick the road down here. Then you take it out so we can cut it. And then we cut the back of the body. This will be the back. Then I split it in two. I split it in half like this. In the future, you will cut a piece, because this fabric is going to be a double fabric. And if you draw a life path on the back, you will cut to pieces. Then the back body, now the front body. In the previous part, you will cut the old way. The heart is down here. Then you cut off this shoulder and we'll go away. The underarm line of the body in front of it is deeper. I cut the black line. Okay. The body before me is finished. Let me see what I cut earlier. Is the back chest smaller? I haven't cut it yet. Now I'm going to cut my chest. The back is smaller than a gasoline. This is right. So here's the previous part. That's what you see. This is the Arabic part of my front body. With the front body, the waistcoat. Hey, you see. That we will. 2. When I am now, fortunately, I'll cut the splint for the armpit, brace for the neck. Now I'm going to cut the splint quickly to show you how we can sew. Here, you're going to put this fold up here. Cut off the neck. Shoulder. It has many ways. Good luck with the splint, but this will be a way. I will guide you. And tomorrow other songs. I will show you another way. Then you cut it like this. From the bottom of this section, you're going to go in 7. Then we'll cut the curve. And I'm rolling down for a little bit. Back part. Then you'll get the splint. The shirt in front. Put this t-shirt on your body. When you are lucky, then you'll be lucky with your armpit. You're lucky to have the old one. And if you had fabric, you may want to put this part here. You're upside down, then we'll get the button. You have to have more seams here, because this is just a button. Your next body will do the same. We will be lucky. The first is to sew the shoulder. Ham a road shoulder. And then we'll also have a splint. You will also have a back cover. For example, this piece will be a back brace. You will be lucky. The shoulder of the part. The front and back are joined together. Then you'll be lucky for your armpits. Then you sew the necklace and you pop it. Then we sew the side road. And maybe the hybrid. It is the end, but this part is usually this sharp hybrid. If you break it, will be
You'll
bad.
also have to cut the splint,
Just like on the upper body.
You guys are so lucky, it's beautiful. And then I just share it for my sisters. The way we do it for the shirt. I call it a t-shirt. Wearing wide pants. It's made of linen. Looking up at it is also very good. If you like this model, remember a comment, let me know and click like. Then, thank you. Hi, see you. I wish my sisters success.